Welcome to my channel Wheelie Smart. Unmatched luxury and style. Elevate your Tesla's interior with TESERY 2025 Nappa-Leather all-season seat covers, designed exclusively for Tesla Model Y 2020-2024 and Model 3 2017-2024, excluding Highland Performance. Crafted from premium Nappa leather, these seat covers offer a luxurious texture and sleek aesthetic, transforming your car's cabin into a haven of elegance. Available in vibrant colors like classic black, elegant white, or bold red, they let you personalize your Tesla to match your unique style. Superior protection for your seats. These seat covers provide 360 degrees protection, shielding your Tesla's seats from spills, stains, dirt, pet hair, and UV damage. The durable, wear-resistant Nappa leather ensures your seats remain pristine for years, with no tearing or fading even after extensive use. Easy to clean with a damp cloth, they maintain a spotless interior, perfect for busy lifestyles or outdoor adventures. Tailored fit and safety. Precision engineered for a seamless fit, TESERY seat covers hug the contours of your Model Y or Model 3 seats, preserving original functions like heating, ventilation, and headrest adjustments. The sideless design includes pre-cut airbag openings, ensuring unobstructed deployment for maximum safety. Seat belt anchor points and armrest covers are fully integrated, blending functionality with a factory-style finish. All-season comfort. Designed for year-round use, the breathable Nappa leather features a perforated design to enhance air circulation, keeping you cool in summer and cozy in winter. Soft foam padding adds extra comfort, reducing fatigue on long drives and making every journey a pleasure, whether commuting or road tripping. Easy installation and durability. Installing TESERY seat covers is effortless, with a snug fit secured by straps to prevent slipping. The high-quality, eco-friendly Nappa leather, PVC-based, vegan-friendly, is waterproof and built to last 6-7 years without wear. A 30-day hassle-free return policy ensures your satisfaction. Why choose TESERY? TESERY's commitment to quality and innovation makes these seat covers a must-have for Tesla owners. They combine style, protection, and comfort without compromising safety or functionality. Upgrade your Tesla Model Y or Model 3 today with TESERY 2025 Nappa leather seat covers and experience driving in unparalleled luxury. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.